In this video, we'll guide you through the 2 essential steps for setting up Timeware Professional. Step 1. Installing the Microsoft OLE DB driver. First, you'll need to download the Microsoft OLE DB driver from the official Timeware software repository at nmd3.com. Once the download is complete, right-click the installer and select Run as Administrator. Follow the on-screen steps. Click Next. Accept the license terms. Click Next again, then click Install. If Windows prompts you for permission to make changes, just click Yes. Once the installation completes, you're ready for the next step of installing Timeware Professional. Step 2. Installing Timeware Professional. Now we'll install the Timeware Professional software. Download the latest version from the same site, nmd3.com. Or if any other version is required, you can contact support to be sent the version you need. Right-click the installer and choose Run as Administrator to avoid any permission issues. The Install Shield wizard will appear. Click Next, then accept the license agreement by clicking Yes. You will then be provided a link for the Microsoft OLE DB driver for the previous step, if you hadn't already downloaded this. You can now click Next. When asked to choose the setup type, select Custom and click Next. And choose your installation directory and proceed. On the feature selection screen, make sure the server box is unticked and click Next. Here you will be given an overview of the save location of Timeware Professional. Once you click Next, the installation will begin. When it's done, click Finish. That's it. Timeware Professional is now installed. Just some important notes to be aware of. You'll need a valid SQL connection.ini file inside the tdata folder in your Timeware directory. If one isn't present, copy it from the application server or a working client. For help at any point, or you would like to inquire about our services, contact Timeware Support on 01706658222 or email us at support@timeware.co.uk.